Here are 10 DIY workout ideas that you can try at home. Bodyweight exercises. Perform bodyweight exercises such as push-ups, squats, lunges, and planks. You can combine them to create a full body workout routine. Yoga. Practice yoga at home with online tutorials or apps. Yoga can help you build strength, flexibility, and balance. Jump rope. Jumping rope is a fun and effective cardio workout that you can do anywhere. You only need a jump rope and a flat surface. Resistance bands. Use resistance bands to perform exercises that target different muscle groups. You can find resistance bands in different sizes and resistance levels. Heat workouts. High-intensity interval training. Heat is a type of workout that alternates short bursts of high-intensity exercises with periods of rest. You can use bodyweight exercises or equipment such as dumbbells or kettlebells. Circuit training. Circuit training involves performing different exercises back-to-back with little or no rest in between. You can create your own circuit with exercises such as jumping jacks, burpees, mountain climbers, and squats. Stair workouts. Use stairs for a challenging cardio workout. You can run or walk up and down stairs or perform exercises such as step-ups, lunges, and box jumps. Dance workouts. Dance workouts are a fun way to burn calories and improve cardiovascular fitness. You can find dance workout videos online or create your own routine. Running or walking. Running or walking is an easy and accessible form of exercise that you can do outdoors or on a treadmill. You can increase the intensity by adding hills or intervals. Tabata workouts. Tabata is a type of heat workout that involves performing an exercise at maximum effort for 20 seconds followed by 10 seconds of rest. You can repeat the cycle for a total of 4 minutes and switch to a different exercise. You can use bodyweight exercises or equipment. That's it for now. Please like, share, and subscribe for more healthy tips at Pay84 Award.